If you are looking for a mechanical keyboard that looks premium, sounds satisfying, and does not cost a fortune, then this might be exactly what you need. I have been using this keyboard for the last 5 months, and in this video I will show you everything you need to know before buying it. The good, the bad, and a few hidden features you might not know about. Let's unbox and see what we get inside. First, you get the keyboard itself packed inside a protective plastic cover. You also get this handy quick operation guide that lists all the keyboard shortcuts. We will come back to this later in the video. There is also an instruction manual. Let us start with the layout. This is a 75% mechanical keyboard. To give you an idea of the size, here it is next to a 60% keyboard. As you can see, it is only slightly bigger, but you get a lot more keys. Now let us compare it with a full-size keyboard. The only thing missing here is the dedicated number pad on the right. You still get the function row, arrow keys, and all the important navigation keys. So you are not really sacrificing usability while saving a lot of desk space. The keyboard itself is also surprisingly heavy. That is actually a good thing. Once you place it on your desk, it stays there. It comes with 2 rubber feet that let you incline the keyboard and also provide a good grip on the desk. Typing experience is easily my favorite part of this keyboard. The build quality feels solid and it does not flex. The keys have a soft, cushioned feel while typing, and the sound is really satisfying. Take a listen. The keyboard also comes with RGB lighting. To change the lighting effect, simply hold the function key and press the backslash key to cycle through various effects. There are plenty of lighting modes to choose from. Press function plus up or down arrow keys to increase or decrease RGB lighting brightness. One feature I use almost every day is this volume knob. I tested it on both Windows and Mac. Rotate to increase or decrease the volume. Press it once to mute. Press it again to unmute. Simple and very convenient. Build quality of this knob is also very good. Knobs on most keyboards are made delicate. Checking the battery level is also very easy. Just press function plus B, the number row lights up to give you a quick indication of the remaining battery level. As you can see, right now 2 keys are glowing. If I try it again a few times, sometimes it even shows 3 keys instead. So it is not 100% accurate. Let us verify the actual battery percentage. If I open the Bluetooth settings, you can see the battery is at 27%. So I would treat this feature as a quick estimate rather than exact battery indicator. Another nice addition is this notification bar on the top left. It starts blinking when the battery is running low, so you know it is time to charge the keyboard. Multi-device connectivity is the main reason I bought this keyboard. You can connect it to up to 4 devices at the same time. The first option is the 2.4 GHz wireless mode. Just plug the USB receiver into your computer and start using the keyboard. You can also use it in wired mode by connecting it to your computer using a Type-C cable. And finally, you can connect up to 3 different devices over Bluetooth. Switching between the Bluetooth devices is also very easy. Press function and 1 to switch to your first paired device, function and 2 for the second, and function and 3 for the third. If you want to pair a new Bluetooth device, simply press and hold the FN key and the corresponding number key for a few seconds until it starts blinking. The keyboard will then appear in your Bluetooth settings and you can pair it like any other Bluetooth device. The keyboard also supports multiple operating systems. Press function plus Q for Android mode, Function plus W for Windows mode, and Function plus E for Mac OS. Honestly, the only difference I noticed is in Mac mode, where the Windows and Alt keys are swapped to match the Mac layout. Other than that, I did not notice any functional difference between the modes. If you are using Windows, there is a dedicated software available to remap keys. I will leave the download link in the description. Install the software. Connect the keyboard to your computer using Type-C cable and make sure the keyboard is in wired mode. Remapping keys is very simple. Just click the key you want to change, select the new action from the list and save your changes. So if you feel a particular key is missing from the keyboard, you can easily assign it to another key. You can also create multiple profiles and switch between them whenever you need. The best part is, once you save the changes, they are stored on the keyboard itself. So even if you later connect it to a Mac, your custom key mappings will continue to work. The only thing is, you will need a Windows computer to configure this. After using the keyboard for 8 months, the only downside I found is battery life. If you keep the RGB lighting on, you might not even get through one full day. I personally keep RGB lighting turned off. With the lights off, I easily get around 10 to 12 days on a single charge, which is much better. Overall, I think this is one of the best mechanical keyboards you can buy in this price range, and I can easily recommend it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you are not. If you have any questions, please drop a comment. I will be happy to answer them. I will see you on the next one. Until next time, take care.